well. Leaders must be close enough to relate to others, but far enough to motivate them. Let us now hear something about leadership and motivation by Mishka.
Leadership is a quality which gives you stability from others. A leader guides and inspires people for a cause. Motivation is an essential factor that changes a positive thought into action. Leadership can be defined as motivating other people. You can motivate your team in the following ways: appreciate them, celebrate with them, and reward them. At last, if your action inspires people to do something, to learn something, and to dream something, then you are a great leader. Thank you.
Let us now hear about few leaders by Ayana.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to give a speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. This speech was given in Hyderabad. I have two visions for India. In 3,000 years of our history, people from all over the world came and invaded us, took over what was ours. From Alexander onwards, the Greeks, the Turks, the British, the French, the Portuguese, the Mughals, all of them came and looted us. Yet, we have not done this to any other nation. We have not conquered anyone. We have not captured their lands, their culture, their history, or tried to enforce our way of life on them. Why? Because we respect the freedom of every nation. That is why my first vision is that of freedom. I believe that India got its first vision in 1857 when we started the War of Independence. I believe that we must protect and nurture and build on this freedom. If we are not free, then no one will respect us. My second vision for India is development. For 50 years, we have been under a developing nation. It's at the time to see ourselves as a developed nation. We are among top 5 nations in the world in terms of GOP. Our poverty levels are falling. Our achievements are being globally recognized today. Yet, we lack in the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation, self-assured and self-reclined. Isn't this incorrect?
Poems are important as they help us appreciate the world around us. So over to Charmi, who will recite a poem.
Poem name Success. Author unknown. If you can keep on going and never stop, you can keep on going and make it to the top. Life is full of mountains. Some are small and some are big. If you don't give up, you can overcome that all. So keep on going and never stop. If you can keep on going, you can make it to the top. Thank you.
Song is able to change the way we see the world, making it more positive. So over to Shyansh, who will sing a motivation song.
Believe in yourselves, the power in you. Have faith in your dreams and they will come true. There's much you can give if you do your part. The choices you make should come from your heart. So believe in yourself, cause there's nothing you cannot do. If you believe in yourself, dreams can come true. The future depends on what you will do. So set your goals high and then follow through. Believe in your dreams and so will you see. You will become what you want to be. So believe in yourself, cause there's nothing you cannot do. If you
Leaders are very unique people. They have a very simple distinction, and that is their thinking is different. Leaders do not think like followers. Leaders used to be followers, all of them. But what made them cross the line was a certain mentality that kicked in somewhere. Something happened to them that made them think differently. And I normally call that attitudes that influence people. If you want to be an impactful personality, you have to develop certain types of thinking and perceptions that change the way you see yourself and see the world. I call this the spirit of leadership. A leader has an attitude that makes him or her different from followers. It doesn't matter how big you are, how intelligent you are, how many degrees you get. It's your mind that keeps you small. And it doesn't matter how small you are, or how unintelligent you may seem to be, or how much you don't have. It's your mind that makes you the leader. Attitude. The attitude, therefore, is the difference. Write this down. The difference between a leader and a follower is attitude. Why? Because it is unique attitudes that distinguish leaders from followers. They think differently. And that's because attitudes produce certain behaviors. And those behaviors stretch the leader beyond the limitations of the norm. In other words, it is the thinking of the person that makes them see circumstances differently. Your life is what you think it should be. That's exactly what you are right now. You are what you thought you should be. And if you don't like who you are, you got to change what you think you should be. That's how leaders are born. True leadership is self-discovery. True leadership is serving your gift to the world. Everyone in this room was born with a specific gift. Some of you got two of them. Don't try and develop all of your gifts. Focus on one. Make it your primary gift. And then refine it. And then serve it to the world. The key to leadership is service. But it doesn't mean servitude as making yourself of less value. You serve because you have value. It is your gift that makes you valuable, and serving it is your responsibility. And the better you serve your gift, the greater leadership you achieve. That's why Jesus said the greatest among you is the one who serves everybody. The greatest is the one who serves. So whoever can serve their gift more effectively, they become the greatest in the group. No one came to earth without a gift. The problem is we try to take other people's gifts and make them ours. If you become an imitation, you're going to be broke. You need to find your gift, your strength, your unique power. And you need to take that and say, I'm going to become this. And then serve it to the world. And that's your leadership born that way.
As a responsible citizen, we should get vaccinated as soon as possible to break the chain of this infection. Now we will see a video motivating the public to get vaccinated.
COVID-19, a threat that awaits us every second then and now, has become a devastating reality for everyone in this world. The headwinds emanating from COVID-19 related challenges are unlikely to go away until mass vaccination becomes a reality. Vaccination is the need of the hour, accelerating hopes of recovery. The challenge in front of us is, can we save every life currently at risk by the virus? I say yes we can, but only if all of us get vaccinated. So I urge you all, men, women, grandparents, parents, all of you, go and get vaccinated at the earliest. This and this alone can save us and our families from getting infected. And please, do remember, we all are in this together.